In this installation video, we show you how to install the newly R10, R20, and R30 Rail flush against the ceiling. You'll need the following tools for an easy installation: drill, screwdriver, newly installation set. For an easy and swift installation, we use the drilling template for determining the right drilling distance from the ceiling. By holding the drilling template against the wall, the drill hole can be determined. When the ceiling is less straight, our advice is to install the rail 10 centimeters below the ceiling. The use of the drilling template is then not necessary. The first clip is installed 10 millimeters from the end of the wall. The next clips are installed every 40 centimeters. Use the drilling template to determine the right drilling distance from the ceiling. It is important to determine where the clip should go. This is in case you need to connect two rails to each other. Drill a hole with a 5 millimeter drill bit. This depends on which plug is used. Then insert the plug into the drilled hole. Place the clip with the screw already in the clip in the plug. Be careful not to tighten the clip too hard while screwing it in. The clip could bend slightly. Tighten the clip. When all the clips are installed on the wall, first make sure the end cap is placed at the end of the rail. The end cap ensures a neat finish. The rail can now be easily attached over the clips. Check that the clip engages properly. When connecting two rails, this is done with one clip. At the connecting point of two rails, the rails are placed on both sides of the clip. Now that the rail is installed, you can place the hook on the wire. This is very easy. There are different hooks and wires available. In this video, we show you the H100 hook. Press the top of the H100 hook in and then let the wire go through. Once you let go of the top, the hook secures itself. Insert the twister wire with the hook attached on the wire into the rail. It's best to hold the twister wire as high as possible by the twister nipple. Then, twist and turn the wire into the rail and lower the wire. You can still adjust the height of the hook and the position of the twister wire in the rail. Now it's time to hang your wall decoration, painting, or frame on the hook. Always check if the wire still hangs on the rail. The weight of your wall decoration will keep the wire from twisting out of the rail. When you want to hang larger paintings and frames, we recommend using two wires and hooks. In this video, we show you one hanging wire and hook to hang the painting. Should any wire come out from underneath the painting, you can roll it up and place it behind the painting.